How to join XAI Grok waiting list. Grok is another AI-driven natural language processing tool chatbot just like ChatGPT to have human-like conversations. It is designed to understand and respond to human language in a comprehensive, informative, and humorous way. Grok's mission is to provide answers to a wide range of questions while adding a touch of amusement to the conversation. One of Grok's notable features is its ability to access real-time information through X platform, allowing it to handle unconventional and even controversial queries. But how do you get access to it? Since it's on the beta version, the developer team has announced that it's only available to limited users across the United States. You can head towards this web page and scroll all the way down. You'll see this section, Early Access to Grok. Now click on this option here. With that, you will land to the X login page. You can log into your account and join XAI waiting list. So this was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.